Today's case has it all: identity theft, probation violations, and a heartbreaking family betrayal. Iris Gomez sits before the court, facing not just one, but two cases: a plea deal for stealing her own sister's identity, and a motion to revoke probation on a drug charge from 2020. This isn't just a story of crime, it's one of consequences, redemption, and one judge who doesn't hold back. Will Iris own her past and find a way forward? Or will her history finally catch up to her? Buckle up, you won't want to miss how this one ends.
Court is calling 2024 CR 4614, State versus Iris Gomez. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Gomez? Is it Iris or Iris?
Iris.
Iris?
Iris in Spanish, but it's Iris.
All right. No, just tell me how to pronounce it. I will pronounce it the way it should be pronounced.
Iris, Your Honor.
All right, Iris. All right. So is there an application in this case?
No, Your
Honor.
There,
Right.
and Judge, just like you know, there's a case that's a plea, and there's also an MTR.
All right. So we'll start with this case first.
Which is the case, Your Honor?
2024 CR 4614. All right, and so the record can be clear. If you all announce again for the record.
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez.
All right. And you're Miss Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gomez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is to run concurrent with 2020 CR 073. Did you understand? All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I believe that my client has accepted responsibility. She understands what has transpired, and she agreed to go forward with the plea agreement along with the MTR for it to run concurrently for 1 year. And I believe that that's also going to be time for her to really have an introspector of herself and understand what can be changed once she's released from jail.
This moment in the courtroom is heartbreaking. The judge makes it clear: Iris didn't just break the law, she let her own sister take the blame. Think about it. You're at work, living your life, when police show up and arrest you for crimes you didn't commit. Why? Because your own sibling used your name. That's more than illegal. That's a betrayal that cuts deep. Iris says she's apologized, but the emotional damage, that stays. Could you forgive a family member for something like this? Share your thoughts in the comments.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court is proceeding in 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. And since it's a rather large MTR, we were going to go on the supplemental And that's on violation of condition number 5. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Iris Nicole Gomez, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any
No
objection?
objections, Your Honor.
Would you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual off the community supervision, sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility to run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614.
Now here's where things escalate. Iris pleads true to violating her probation, failing to report for 2 whole months. And let's not forget, this stems from a 2020 conviction for possessing a controlled substance. That probation was her second chance, and she blew it. The state reveals she completed almost nothing required, aside from 1 evaluation. Parenting classes, nope, fines, unpaid. Her lawyer points to grief. Iris lost her little sister. But here's the hard truth. Courts weigh actions, not intentions. Should personal tragedy excuse probation failure? That's a tough one. Tell us what you think.
That's an understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
She's done a little, Your Honor.
And what has she completed parenting classes?
No, Your Honor.
Judge, the only thing that was complete on this term was on this probation was her TAP evaluation
I send her it's over to my mom.
and
Yes.
there was a total credit of $424 for her assessed fines of $2,812.
So you haven't done anything on probation.
I had just lost my little sister around that time.
Mm-hmm.
It was very hard.
Okay. All right. The court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And I'm so sorry. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
This ruling just took another serious turn. Not only is Iris sentenced to 18 months in a state jail facility, the judge specifically orders that she cannot reside with minors. That's a huge decision with major implications. Why? Because even after all the legal issues, the court has to think about child welfare and safety. The judge even warns Iris, when you get out, you're not the parent anymore, legally speaking. That's a brutal reality to face. What do you think? Is this just accountability or overreach? Sound off below.
And I'm going to also order, no residing with minors. All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you want deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
All right, so you can appeal, but you can't say I'm appealing because I don't think I should be on deferred adjudication. But you can appeal. You entered a plea of true to violation of condition number 5, and I've sentenced you. So you can appeal that entire plea of true, but not the fact that you were actually on probation. Do you understand? All right. All right. With regard to this, because this is a revocation and it's a criminal conviction now, felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to change your life big time. Otherwise, it's not going to end well for you. When you're released, do not go to your mom's house acting as though you're the parent to a child, because legally you're not the parent. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. So don't try to go over there and change her system or change her rules. You understand?
So what just happened? Iris Gomez walked into court facing two cases, one for identity theft, another for probation violation. She pled true to the latter and admitted to a deeply personal betrayal in the former. The outcome? 18 months behind bars, orders not to live with minors, and a judge who made it crystal clear change is not optional. This case is a reminder that every decision has weight, and the justice system doesn't run on sympathy alone. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We've got more real stories and real consequences coming your way.